over flush with the piece of wood. So we're just gonna turn this in by hand at first, take a Phillips head and turn this down to where that flange is flush with the wood. And I have the cam bolt installed on here, and I'm gonna put it into this hole on the edge of this piece of wood. Now, the cam lock is going to have the arrow facing the cam bolt in the hole. And that's because this U shape is gonna let it slide over this cam bolt. We just push that into the hole. And then we're just gonna take this screwdriver and snug this up to where it's nice and tight, so that now the arrow is pointing away from the cam bolt.